We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP M521nw. So with this printer, there's really only two places that you need to check. First one's going to be in the back of the printer. Just open it up. Make sure anytime you're touching anything back here to be very, very careful, because it can get really, really hot. So you should see it about sticking out right about in the middle. Go ahead and pull it up and out. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to go gently and slowly. If you go fast or yank really hard, then you could damage a sensor or rip some pieces of paper off inside and result causing more jams. Last is going to be this spot right here. This one's pretty easy as well. You just pull it up and out. If you guys are consistently seeing jams even after clearing them, it's probably time to put your printer in for service. If you need any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.